Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Park level, set the brake, and disconnect the negative battery to avoid shorts. Once done, pop the hood and remove the plastic trim clips and the visible upper bolts. This immediately exposes the headlight housing. You're using a 10 mm socket and a flat screwdriver to speed removal. Do this now because limited front access is the only viable route on a 2008 Dodge Ram. It prevents damage and gives room to work. Once the trim and upper bolts are out, remove the lower mounting bolts and gently pull the housing forward. You must do this so wiring won't strain. Next, disconnect the harness. Press the tab and pull, then unclip or twist out the bulb socket depending on model. Compare the new assembly to the old to verify alignment of brackets and adjusters. This prevents misfit later. Make sure to transfer any shims or brackets so the new headlight sits identically to the factory unit. You now reverse the steps. Seat the new assembly, reconnect the wiring harness, and start bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten snug plus a quarter turn. Once the battery is reconnected, test high and low beams immediately to confirm operation. Then perform a quick aim check about 10 to 15 feet from a wall. Adjust vertical and horizontal adjusters if the pattern is off. If a light fails or flickers, check the fuse, ground connection, and harness for corrosion. Those are the common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.